Hi traders, this is a new video. First of all, the risk warning. Your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another candlestick psychology video based on those kind of concepts which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So yes, let me see, that was a double top, yes, and I'm trading now the upcoming trend of this double top. Yes, I wait till price got hit again above this level, and on the rejection from above to below, I will enter into a put, yes, like this now, yes, because I'm expecting that price will continue to going down. I don't know why the option was not per case, but no problem. We are still above the closing price of the previous candle, and I'm trading only the direction of this upcoming trend based on this double top, yes, like I have explained in detail in my ebook. Yes, I have shown you this, and I have not only this is also explained in Word, and not only in image on the Price Action Bible. Yes, that are those concepts which I have explained here really in detail, in what kind of market condition, yes, in what kind of trend, yes, you should trade those kind of things. So okay, let's see what's happening. This looks like yes, now we are getting here the profit target of this, yes, of this double top, and that's the reason why I will enter into a call. Yes, this high here is nearly more than this what was from the base to the neckline, so or the complete base. So I will do a call now because price retraced back, and I'm sure that price will go up from this level, and that's the reason why I'm entering here into a call, expecting that price will go up further, and doing now that what I have explained also in the videos before about the complex pullback and the simple pullback. Yes, before mostly it will be immediately the simple pullback, but often there will be some pullbacks in between, and that is what's happening maybe now, yes, but I'm sure that price will continue to going up from this level because this looks like a forming of a morning star. So okay, that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.